12-inch wide white oak engineered. It was a beautiful project that we had down in the Jersey Shore. The customer really wanted this rustic yet very light colored, beautiful neutral floor to go with the rest of the decor. They chose to do a craft oil on top, and that allowed for the application of Bona Natural, which really gives good wear resistance. You know, that house is gonna see animals, you know, their dogs, it's gonna see sand traffic and abrasion. Being able to be 12 inches wide upstairs in the areas where there's gonna be a lot of activity, a lot of family gathering, lends itself to a very unique looking floor. To be that wide, 12 inches at the beach, to have the stability where it's not going to cup or crown. Bona Craft Oil is a two-part mix that's buffed in, so very easy application, but because it is a catalyzed product, it is coatable with a film forming finish. Now you could use it strictly on its own. You could just put craft oil down and leave it and then maintain it with the craft oil cleaners. But if you're going to experience a lot of activity and you don't want quite the amount of maintenance that European style oil might require, then a film forming finish on top that's pretty much bulletproof. You know, one coat, and the kind of the beauty of craft oil is it's really the only system that can be coated over in a European oil style with a urethane. And the Traffic Natural is a very flat, hardly any sheen to it, so it really gives the floor the look as if there is no finish on it and it is just the European oil. So they have probably about 8 basic colors to the craft oil line, but completely mixable. So you would have pastels in the gray and the cream. You would have earth tones in the browns and reds. And then you would even have, you know, darker ebony style colors. All of those are mixable with one another and can be catalyzed and buffed in. The ability to have a matching staircase, if you were to go a pre-finished product, to have the stairs and the handrails finished the same way as the floor, all of that is available at Wide Plank Floor Supply, including the vents, trim, everything that makes the project complete.